So I am kind of a steak purist, and I've never had cauliflower steaks. And I know Andrea here loves cauliflower, so we're going to put it to the test.
Let's start with a nice fresh bunch of parsley and a nice fresh bunch of cilantro. We're going to cut about this much, I'd say about a cup of it. Let's go crazy. And then we're going to have to end up mincing it up pretty well. I'm going to get this one as fine as possible because this is going to go into my sort of a chimichurri type sauce. Let's start the party with the herbs. 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic all in a row. Something you need to know about me. I love to smash. Makes mincing so much easier. Now let's not get too adventurous with this garlic. We want to mince it really fine because we're going to be eating it raw in the sauce. For some added flavor and just a little bit of heat, we're going to take this jalapeno. I'm going to seed it simply for the fact that I don't want it too hot. I like to be able to adjust my sauce after I'm done. So let's go ahead and remove the seeds and chop it up really fine into a mince. Once we're done, we're going to add it to the party with the herbs and the garlic. Next thing we do is we're going to start having our limes. We're going to add some lime juice because of the awesome flavor it'll give, and also the acid will help balance out the dish. Kosher salt, about that much. And of course, some nice black pepper. A couple shakes of some dried oregano. And bring out the good olive oil for this one. We're going to use an entire avocado for this sauce. Trust me on this one. I'm going to put a tablespoon of honey in there. Don't worry, vegans, it's imitation honey. Mix it all together really well, and once you're done, you can put it in the fridge until you're ready to use. That lime juice will keep the avocado from browning. Quarter cup of olive oil, some brown sugar, stir it together. Now we're going to start making our cauliflower into steaks. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this bottom core so I can snap off the leaves easily. Once I'm done with that, I want it to sit flat, so I'm going to chop off that last core, and now it's sitting perfectly. Next thing I'm going to do is cut it down the middle. That way I can have two big steaks even on both sides. So here's one and here's the other. The rest of it, I'm going to cook the same way, but it won't be as pretty. So let's take our brown sugar olive oil concoction, and now we're just going to brush it or spoon it over our cauliflower. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Turn it over and do the same. salt and pepper it, and let's take it out to the grill. I choose charcoal for this one because I feel it's going to give it more of a steak sensation. I would say at a medium heat, it's probably going to be about 7 minutes per side. Close the lid, treat it like an oven, and let the magic do its work. Remember, I only flip it over one time. Once it starts giving a little bit when you poke it, and it's not as hard as it was when it was raw, you're pretty much ready to go. You don't want it too soggy.
What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm trying something I've never tried before. But first, I'd like to introduce everybody to the lovely Andrea.
Hello.
Watch me make it. I grilled it. And we made a little sauce together, didn't we?
Okay.
So Andrea, you ready to give it a shot? All right.
This is vegan, right?
It's totally vegan, guys.
Interesting.
Trying to appeal to the masses here. Make sure you get a little bit of that sauce on it. You ready? Or a lot of it. Very garlicky. You ready?
Are you gonna smooch me later? Cheers! Wow, that's a lot of garlic.
It's a lot of garlic.
It's really good though.
It's delicious. I like it.
Tell me what else is in the special sauce, Dennis.
So we use avocado. It's obviously an avocado sauce. Cilantro and parsley to give it that freshness. Garlic to give it that bad breathness. And lots of avocado, obviously. Did I already say avocado? That's how much avocado I had. I had to say it twice. Salt and pea, oregano, lime juice, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit.
It's lovely. It's very nice.
You like it?
I do.
So, guys, this is something I could actually eat more than twice a week. But I consider this more of a side dish than...
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I want my main dish to be... Meat. But this would be more of a side dish for me. How about you?
I could just eat that as my meal.
You could?
Yeah. Sure. I'm not a meat person.
Yeah.
Not all of us love the meat.
And yet she's on the show.
Well, thank you for including me in the vegetarian version, the vegan version.
Well, thanks for coming by.
You're welcome.
And thank all of y'all for watching. Try it out. It's actually pretty good. And you don't have to make it on a grill with charcoal. You can make it here in the oven. Just kind of poke it and it starts giving a little bit. You know it's done. Don't wait till it's too mushy. But I think you'll like it. Especially with that sauce.
Super good.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you later. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel. And bye.
What are fat-burning meals? How can I keep eating what I want? How can I keep it in my budget? I don't have enough time to put into food planning. I've already tried everything out there, and I want to be in control. You know, Andrea recommended this site. I like it. Worthy enough to share with all of you. Link in the description below. Please check it out. Thanks. If you know me, you know I love to eat a lot. I also enjoy working out. I feel if you commit to a diet, it's also worthwhile to commit to a workout plan. But let's get back to food. I've definitely tried my share of diets, including keto. However, I feel like everybody's body has a different reaction to different foods, even within common keto recipes. Through trial and error, I've noticed certain foods work better than others. However, creating a custom keto diet plan was unrealistic due to my time, or lack thereof. I would like to ask you to click on this link and watch the quick video and see if this is something that you might like to try. It's a custom keto diet kit that will will work uniquely with your body. So, if you would like to learn more about getting to know exactly what to eat to lose unwanted fat without giving up your favorite menu items or starving yourself, if you are serious about transforming your body while eating awesome meals like wood-fired steak with roasted garlic and truffle butter, please click this link, which will also be in the description below this video. Thanks.